To understand electricity, we must understand it is part of the family of forces that keep everything in our universe operating, forces that allow us to do useful work. All of these forces use some form of energy. The energy in the battery was put there when the battery was charged using voltage and energy from a battery charger. The charger likely got its energy from a hydroelectric dam or other electricity generating station. This description of the movement of charge is a simplification, but it is adequate for this course of study. In reality, positive charges are also moving in the opposite direction. There are only two ways the two loads can be connected to the voltage: in series or in parallel. The same is true of switches controlling a load. Electrical power ratings used in HVAC equipment can be as small as 1/4 of a watt in a resistor used on a control board to 5,000 or more watts in an electric strip heater. This heater would be referred to as a 5 kilowatt heater, 1 kilowatt equaling 1,000 watts. Motors are deserving of their reputation for durability and long lives, but motors can overload and fail early in their working lives. Motors fail for three primary reasons. They are mechanically overloaded, they are connected to excessive voltage, or they are operated in conditions for which they were not designed. A heavy-duty motor, such as a compressor motor that is mechanically overloaded, will draw excessive current as the motor tries to keep up with the load. The release of energy by electricity is an accident that can be dangerous for several reasons. The first is shock hazard. The word shock has several meanings when referring to accidental contact with a voltage. The first is the human reaction of surprise, fear, and some loss of judgment when the human body experiences a surprise by an electric arc. We are indeed shocked. In the second meaning, the heart is jolted from its normal rhythm as the balance of the nervous system is changed. The pumping rate of the heart is no longer normal. In the third meaning of shock, the entire body goes into cardiovascular medical shock. As the blood supply drops because of the loss of pumping regularity of the heart, normal bodily functions begin to fail. Shock, no matter which version we experience, is the first reaction we think of when we think of an accident involving electricity.